this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
Let's all welcome back our hosts in our theme outfit for the week.
Check this out. Check this out.
What a stylish bohemian-inspired attire worn by our candidates. Isip na Cinerama Complex. I know everyone is on their phone, pero bigyan naman natin ng palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan ng ating mga fans. Ng ating mga hunks. This afternoon, kita-kita naman natin ang gwapo na mga hunks natin. I'm pretty much sure our judges will have a hard time judging our hunks for this afternoon. Agawin ko muna ang mga hunks sa inyo as they will prepare for their next segment. Hunks, you may proceed backstage.
Kamukha lang. Malamang, mamaya pag sinabi. Number
Alright, isang magandang at mainit na hapon na naman po sa inyong lahat. Tuwing Sabado na lang, pinaliliyak ng Talents Manila ang ating entablado dahil nagbalik na nga ang hottest show in the Metro. This is Manila's Finest Hunk Season 9. This is the 7th elimination round. Alright, so I'm AC Aguilar and I'm your host, of course, for our afternoon festivities. Para sa inyong lahat, kung naririnig nyo na ang boses ko, iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na bumaba o kaya naman bumaba. Sumilip na lang po kayo sa mga areas dyan sa Isitan. Make sure that all of you guys are safe. And I'm pretty much sure you guys will enjoy this afternoon as we have 6 hunts who will compete and try to move on to the grand finals. Alright. So sino nga ba ang mga hurado natin na mahihirapan ngayong hapon ito? Let me introduce our very first judge. She is the manager for admin and operation of Talents Manila. Let's give a big round of applause for Miss Jen Clovey Venancio. Moving forward, we have our second judge, who is a seasoned fashion stylist and designer. Buti na pagbibigyan pa niya tayo sa sobrang busy niya. Let's give it up for Mr. Jonathan Alegre.